Indigenous. Clay, feldspar, and quartz, minerals formed over millions of years, are the foundation of ceramic tiles. Kaolin clay gives the tile body workability during pressing and provides the bright white fired color preferred for wall tiles and porcelain stoneware. Feldspar acts as a flux, creating a liquid phase during firing that fills pores and densifies the tile body. Higher feldspar content Specialty minerals modify tile behavior during firing. Wollastonite prevents crazing, talc lowers thermal expansion, and zircon provides opacity and whiteness. Glaze raw materials include pre-melted glass frits, ceramic color stains, and opacifiers. The glaze formulating subliminals. Ceramic inks must produce vibrant color after surviving kiln temperatures that would vaporize any conventional ink. Recycled tile scrap known as chamotte is added back to the body recipe. Pre-fired material reduces drying and firing shrinkage, improving dimensional accuracy.
Ceramic color stains are manufactured by calcining metal oxides at high temperature. Cobalt produces blue, chromium produces
Ball milling grinds the raw materials into a fine, homogeneous slurry. The grinding media tumble and impact the minerals. Screening ensures only particles below the target size pass to the spray dryer. Oversized particles would create defects in the pressed tile body. Zivils. The spray dryer transforms liquid slip into free-flowing powder granules ideal for pressing. Each spray-dried granule is a perfect sphere about 0.5 millimeter in diameter. This uniform shape enables consistent dye filling and produces tiles with uniform density. Moisture content must be precisely controlled between 5 and 7%. Too dry and the tile cracks during pressing. Too wet and the tile sticks to the dye. Through-body coloring distributes pigment uniformly throughout the tile thickness. If the tile is chipped, the body color matches the surface trace. No white clay is visible. Chemical analysis verifies every batch contains the exact ratio of silica, alumina, and flux oxides. Hydraulic pressing compacts the loose powder into a dense tile body, with forces exceeding 5,000 tons. The green tile exits the press with enough strength to handle, but is still fragile. It contains no chemical bonding, only the dye surface quality determines tile dimensional accuracy. The dye is machined to tolerances of hundredths of a millimeter and polished to prevent powder adhesion. Isostatic pressing applies uniform pressure across the entire tile surface. Without it, edges would be denser than centers, causing the tile to warp during firing. Large format pressing creates thin porcelain slabs that compete with natural stone for countertops and wall panels, offering unlimited design possibilities at lower weight. Dimensional control after pressing catches thickness variations before further processing. Rejecting defective tiles early saves the energy and materials of unnecessary firing.
Drying removes the pressing moisture in minutes using hot air at over 200 degrees. The dried tile must be uniformly moisture-free before glaze application.
Engobe creates a pure white canvas on the tile surface, hiding the gray or brown clay body and providing the bright background needed for vivid digital printing. Fences. Glaze preparation grinds the raw materials to produce a smooth, even suspension. Particle size, density, and viscosity. Texture effects applied over the base glaze create three-dimensional surface relief that makes ceramic tiles virtually indistinguishable from natural stone. Glaze recycling recovers 95% of excess applied material. Only the glaze that stays on the tile is consumed, the rest is continuously recycled.
Destinations. Metallic luster glazes contain compounds of gold, silver, or platinum that create shimmering iridescent surfaces.
Notes. Digital decoration has revolutionized the tile industry. Any image, marble, wood, fabric, or the digital printer applies the complete decoration in a single pass as the tile moved underneath. Each tile receives an identical dimensions. Ceramic inks use metal oxide pigments that survive the kiln. Iron oxide for red-brown, cobalt for blue, chrome. Design creation starts with high-resolution scanning of real natural materials. Digital artists enhance and optimize the images for ceramic reproduction. At magnification, the photorealistic image resolves into individual ceramic ink dots. The human eye blends them into smooth, continuous tones from normal viewing distance. Random variation algorithms ensure no two tiles are identical. In a marble design, each tile shows different vein. Printhead maintenance prevents nozzle clogging that would cart missing lines in the decoration. Regular cleaning maintains the image quality consumers expect. Structure ink creates physical surface relief that matches the printed visual design. Running your fingers across the tile, you feel the same texture you see. True tactile realism. Digital anti-slip technology applies grip texture only where needed, maintaining the tile's aesthetic appearance while providing the slip resistance required for floor safety. The roller kiln is the factory's most imposing machine. Over 100 meters long, it fires tiles at temperatures The temperature profile controls every transformation. Binder burnout, clay decomposition, feldspar melt. Hundreds of gas burners individually controlled along the kiln length maintain temperature accuracy within plus or minus 5 degrees. Each zone's temperature affects tile properties. Glaze maturation transforms dry powder into a smooth, glassy surface in minutes. The chemical reactions occurring at 1200 degrees create the hard, stain-resistant surface. Kiln emissions are cleaned by scrubbers and filters. Fluorine compounds released from the clay during firing are captured to prevent environmental contamination. A single tile spends 40 to 6 minutes traveling through the kiln. During that journey, it is transformed from a fragile clay body.
Kiln rollers must be perfectly straight and clean. A warped or contaminated roller would bend every tile passing over it, creating permanent dimensional defects.
Heat recovery captures kiln exhaust energy for tile drying and building heating, reducing factory energy consumption by over 20%. Automatic sorting evaluates every tile for color consistency, surface defects, dimensional accuracy, and Flatness measurement detects warpage of less than half a millimeter across the tile diagonal. Warp tiles create uneven floors and visible lippage between adjacent tiles. Grade sorting separates premium tiles from standard and economy grades. The premium grade meets the tightest specifications for color, dimension, and surface quality. Edge quality inspection detects chips as small as 1 millimeter. Even tiny edge chips become visible and unsightly in the finished tile installation. Calibration grouping ensures all tiles within a box are the same size within tenths of a millimeter. Mixing different calibers would create uneven grout joints. Shade code labeling ensures the customer installs tiles from the same production shade together. Mixing different shade codes could produce visible color differences in the installation. Shade classification requires sophisticated colorimetric analysis. Tiles that appear identical under one light source might appear different under another. Installation guidance ensures the customer achieves the best result. Correct grout color and setting material are essential for a beautiful and durable tile installation. Glimpses. Porcelain stoneware is fired to near zero porosity, creating a tile body as dense and hard as natural granite. Daedrits. Porcelain vitrification eliminates virtually all internal pores. This density gives porcelain stoneware its exceptional frost resistance. Thin porcelain panels combine the beauty of ceramic with the thinness of natural stone veneer. At 3 millimeters thick, they weigh 80% less than conventional tiles. Outdoor tiles must survive freeze-thaw cycles without cracking. Dense bodies with low water absorption and textured surfaces provide both frost resistance and wet grip. Rectification grinds fired tile edges to within 0.2 of a millimeter, enabling the ultra-thin grout joints that create the seamless contemporary look designers prefer.
Antibacterial tiles contain silver ions that destroy bacteria on contact. In hospitals and restaurants, these tiles contribute to hygiene without any chemical cleaning.
Cool tiles resist the chemical attack of chlorinated water that would degrade ordinary tiles. Their vivid colors remain brilliant despite years of underwater service. Radiant heating tiles efficiently conduct warmth from underfloor heating systems to the room surface. High thermal conductivity ensures responsive temperature control. Solar tiles combine energy generation with architectural cladding, transforming building facades from passive weather barriers into active power generators. Photoluminescent tiles glow in darkness after absorbing daytime light. In emergency stairways and corridors, they provide visible guidance without power supply. Digital technology reproduces historic hand-painted tile designs with perfect consistency. Century-old patterns are preserved and made available for restoration projects. Inkjet. The Tile Warehouse holds every format, color, and finish in the product range. Distributors and retailers Order accuracy is critical. Shipping incorrect shade codes means the customer receives tiles that don't match, causing installation delays and costly returns. The display room shows every product as a realistic installation vignette. Customers can visualize their finished rooms before committing to a purchase. Shade matching ensures installation consistency. Every box of tiles sent to the same project must come from the same production shade to prevent visible color variation. Spring construction surge drives massive tile demand increases. Months of advanced production builds the inventory needed to supply the building season. Damaged tile recycling grinds broken tiles into chamotte that is added back to the body recipe, ensuring zero ceramic material waste. Real-time inventory tracking ensures production scheduling keeps pace with consumption. Stockout conditions would delay construction projects and lose sales. Morning tile deliveries supply the construction industry's daily needs. Every tile delivered will become part of a floor, wall, or facade that serves for decades. The control center coordinates the complete tile production chain, tracking material flow from raw clay to finished packaged product across all production departments. Glaze development creates the surface finishes that drive consumer preference. Each new collection requires months of development to achieve the desired aesthetic. Digital design transforms natural material photographs into ceramic decoration files. The designer enhances veining, adjusts color balance, and creates random variation algorithms.
Firing zone is stable at 1200 degrees. Energy consumption is down 5% from last quarter.
And the quality metrics on the new batch?
All green across the board. The adjustments worked.
Product evaluation after firing reveals how the clay body, glaze, and digital decoration interact during the kiln cycle. Results often surprise even experienced ceramicists.
Chemical resistance testing ensures glazed tiles resist staining and damage from household chemicals, foods, and cleaning products.
Kiln firing consumes over 60% of factory energy. Optimizing firing curves and heat recovery systems directly reduces production costs. Water recycling recovers over 90% of process water. Glaze and slip wastewater is treated and returned to the body preparation system. The annual collection launch reveals months of design and engineering work. The new products represent the factory's creative and technical capabilities.
The kiln runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Its massive thermal mass takes days to heat up or
Night kiln operation maintains the identical firing profile as daytime. Temperature deviations during the night would produce quality variations detectable by customers.
Printer maintenance during the night prepares the decoration system for the high-volume daytime production run.
Overnight energy monitoring identifies opportunities for kiln firing optimization during the lower demand nighttime period.
From a grain of clay to a work of art, the ceramic tile factory transforms Earth's most common mineral into the
research. At the molecular level, the glaze is a complex glass containing dissolved metal oxide colorants. This glass surface resists The tile's greatest moment is installation day. Months of engineering and manufacturing culminate in the consumer's delight as their space is transformed by ceramic art. Ceramic tiles are permanent. Buildings clad in decorative tile a century ago still display the same vivid colors and patterns, unfaded, undegraded. Every day, this factory produces enough tiles to cover thousands of rooms, each tile a fusion of earth, fire, and digital artistry. This facility produces millions of square meters of tile annually, surfaces that will cover floors, walls, and facades in buildings across the world for generations. From clay to canvas, the ceramic tile, ancient, artistic, and permanent, born from earth, fire, the art of earth and fire, clay, feldspar, and digital imagination. Behind every beautiful